Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I am looking dusty. I never get to actually sit down and just talk in my videos because people in my house don't know how to keep quiet. So I'll start talking and then I'll just hear something and I'll be like, do you know what? Mute, I'm gonna do a voiceover. But yeah, today's Get Ready With Me. I don't know what I am doing. I'm just gonna wing it. So I'm gonna try and show you guys the products, but if I don't, I'm sorry, I'll just leave it in the description box down below. As you can see, I've got nothing on my face. I'm gonna try and include as much as possible. But yeah, how are you guys feeling about the new year? Do you know what? Yeah, if I'm being honest, this is the first time in a very, very long time that I've been so happy to just be alive. Let me start with my makeup before this gets very long. So I'm going to use this Nyx Micro pencil and I'm going to tint my eyebrows a little bit to blend since my hair is a different colour now. But yeah, as I was saying, this is the first time in a long time that I've been so happy to just simply be alive. Like, I don't know, like I just feel like with the things that just happened in the last 2 years, that everything's just changed so much. And like I'm just excited for the year. Like I usually when it comes to New Year, I'm just like yeah, New Year. Like I just want the year to be over already. But this time I'm like excited for what's gonna happen this year. I have no idea. I have so many plans, but I've got so many plans, but I'm just so excited for the year. My birthday is literally coming up, and hopefully I'll get this video up before my birthday. So yeah, I was trying something out, it didn't work, so I don't actually know where I'm going with this look. I'm just going to do it anyway. So if I don't like the look, I'll probably post it anyway just because I'm talking. Okay, so I'm just going to use the Nars Soft Matte Concealer for my eyelids as a base. And what was I saying? Yeah, okay, I'm going to talk about what I learned from 2017. So I started off the year, like things were quite slow for me, like business wise. I don't think business picked up until around, let's say, March. And yeah, basically a lot of things changed for me. Basically, I don't know how I'm going to word this, but yeah, I basically went solo. And when I say solo, I mean like I had to stop working on building somebody else's dream and start building my own. So that was the main thing that I was concentrating on in 2017. I've been doing makeup for some time now, but I haven't, well, until of recent anyway, I wasn't really pushing it as much as I should have been. So 2017, I was working on being more independent, growing my brand, getting my name out there. Even though I've been doing it for a while, people know that I do makeup. Well, some people know, but I wasn't really pushing myself as an artist. I was just like, yeah, I do makeup. You know, I wasn't taking like the way I take my bookings seriously. Like you could just message me anyhow and I'll just reply. I'm like, yeah, okay, I'm free. But now I'm trying to be more professional and actually be a proper businesswoman. Actually, I'm not trying, I am a businesswoman. Let me rephrase the way I said that. I'm using L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. This is brand new. It's the first time I'm using it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And yeah, so with the knowledge that I had gained from like other people about the business, I really just had to throw myself out there and, you know, say, do you know what, it's now or never. I've been thinking about, you know, going solo and just doing my own thing for a while. I feel like God is really trying to say, like, this is time for you and you only to, like, really build yourself and build your craft and build your artistry. So I had to take to that, you know, to that and just get it done. It has not been easy. It's so hard to, like, even like things like taking pictures and making sure I post them. I'll take pictures of my clients and then I'll just forget to post them because I don't know, I just feel like maybe I need to just take them and post them on the same day. I'm like figuring out ways to do it now. For my transition colour, I'm going to use this shade here called Nana from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. So that's what I'm going to use, and a Morphe M504 brush. What was I saying? So that was one big change for me in 2017, but I'm so grateful that I took that plunge of, you know, let me just do me and God hasn't let me down. Clients have been coming in, and I've been happy with the work that I've been producing, because it's one thing to do makeup and there's nothing to do it and be confident with what you've done and be happy to send somebody out into the public, because basically that's my brand, walking around. So I want to make sure that everything I put out is great work and consistent work. I don't want it to sometimes be like, oh, this is really nice, and on somebody else it looks a bit yeah. So I'm trying to be more consistent and just practice. I've been practicing a lot more this year, even on myself. Like, I don't really wear eyeshadow too tough. Well, I did it until last year, and now, like, if I'm going out, I will do eyeshadow, even if it's simple. I'll find a way to add something to it so it's not so bland. I'm still working on it. I'm still trying to get it together, but you know, you can't just expect to one day have everything together. Rome was not built in one day. And in regards to like relationships and friendships, I'm still single, guys. I'm not looking for a man. Men are trash. I should really stop saying that, but I'm just gonna say how it is sometimes. Yeah, you guys that don't know, I'm gonna be 24 next month, and everyone keeps asking when I'm getting married, and it's quite frustrating because marriage is really not on my mind. Like, it doesn't cross my mind. I don't know if there's something wrong with me, but I just don't think about it. For me, I'm really trying to get my career together and like get a mortgage, get a car, you know, save money, travel, enjoy my life. Men don't come into that. I'm sorry, like, I just don't. I don't know, maybe I'm just detached from my emotions. As I was saying, like, relationships are just not really, I don't know, a thing on my mind. Like, I don't even think it's a big deal, but once my mom starts talking about it, you just know that, okay, this is actually, maybe it's actually a serious thing, because me and mom don't, well, we don't talk about it, but she drops that little, you know, hints out. When will you bring somebody home? When will you marry? You need to move out. This, that. And I'm just here like, can I just get my money, please? Like, I'm trying to get my money together, get my career together. After that, maybe, but I don't know, man. I'm just weird. But apparently I'm stubborn and picky, and I don't open up to people, and what's the other stuff people say? I don't give people chances, apparently. If I tell you, guys, maybe that's another story for another day. I give people chances, but I'm very, very good at knowing what is going to waste my time and not to benefit me. And if it's not going to benefit me, I will cut it off very, very quickly. No mercy, no nothing. Goodbye. So yeah, maybe that's why I'm just here chilling, enjoying my life, single. It doesn't bother me, to be honest, but you know, it seems to be bothering everybody else. I don't know if everybody else is going to be in a relationship, but I'm the one, so I don't let that get to me. What else? Let's talk about YouTube actually. For me, YouTube in 2017 was not really moving. Like, I had a goal, like, of subscribers that I wanted, which I'm not going to mention because I just don't feel like it's necessary anymore. I had a goal of like how many subscribers I wanted by the end of the year, and I'm not there yet. Let's just say that. I was going to say how far along I am, but I'm not going to, because then you guys will know. I just want it to happen naturally. But I don't know, I think in the year or towards the end of the year, I just thought, you know what, it's not even about subscribers. Like, it's one thing for me to have 5,000 subscribers and then 200 views. For me, it's not really about subscribers, it's more about like engaging. For me, it's more about the engagement, not really the subscribers, I should say. Like, for me, I started my channel to teach people or to share what I know. If you guys are not watching, that's more important to me than having 5,000 subscribers. So my aim is to be able to engage with you guys more. I do try on Snapchat, but you guys don't give me no reception, and I'm kind of like, I don't know, like, I don't know what to do about that, because I'll ask you guys, what do you want to see? I'll put it on Snapchat, put it on Instagram, and I'll get like one response. Maybe if I'm really lucky on that day, I'll get 3. For me, that's so discouraging, because I'm trying to like put out content for you guys, and then I can't even get like a simple response or 2 of like video ideas. And it's like, okay, I'm trying to put out content that you guys want to see, that I'm also happy with, but you guys don't respond well. And then when I do put out content, you guys still don't respond well. So I'm sort of like, I don't really know. This whole YouTube thing is a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. But I'm just like, I don't know. I'm not gonna allow it to put me off doing videos, because I do enjoy doing videos, as long as the process is like, it takes you like 3-4 hours to film. Maybe that's just me, because I keep stopping to do other things. But then I have to cut it down to like 10 minutes, 11-12 minutes at the most. That is not easy at all to do, but it gets done anyway. I'm gonna mix this colour here called Jezebel and this dark brown here from my makeup addiction palette. Ooh, can't talk. Yeah, guys, I can't really talk through this bit, so I don't know. I just need to concentrate. Let's get ready. It's gonna be all over the place. Like, I haven't done one of these in so long, and it's so hard to film. The amount of times I've had to stop already because I can hear somebody in the background, and I'm like, hello, I'm trying to film this video, and it's taking me forever. I've got work tomorrow. I'm not trying to be here forever. Saying, I was talking about YouTube. Yeah, I was talking about YouTube. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I just feel like, oh, it's so stressful because I really want to do this, but at the same time, I feel like it's tight because filming, like, even just like filming space, like, that can be challenging. I can't film during the day because I work, so the only time I can film is after work or like really, really, really late at night. And sometimes I'm just so tired, like to put on the camera and to start filming is just literally so difficult. But I think I've worked out that I'm going to try and do videos every 2 weeks because I feel like that gives me time to film and edit. But if anything, I'll do every 2 weeks. If you guys are really, really, really lucky, then you might get one every week for a bit. But it really just depends on like my work schedule because there's other things I do other than, you know, just go to. Yeah, my aim is to just engage with you guys. I just want you guys to be more, you know, give me so I can give you, basically, because that's what's really like discouraging me, to be honest, with YouTube. It's like I'm putting in all this time and effort and I just feel like you guys just don't care. And even on this video, I'm probably not going to get any response on this video because I just don't. People just seem to think that I'm just talking for talking's sake, or I'm just posting, oh, what would you guys want to see, for the sake of just posting a caption on a picture. But that's really not the case. It's because I actually want to know what you guys want to see so I can get it done, rather than filming videos that you guys don't really care for. Obviously, it's about me because it's my channel, but at the same time, you guys are my viewers. I want you guys to be happy as well. And yeah, I don't know, like, I feel like with this YouTube thing, everybody kind of has their group. And also, I'm not trying to be in a group. Like, I want to be me. But it's slightly with the YouTube thing, I feel like some people are just not using each other, but people are grouping together in order to just, you know, get up there and be popping, which is not really a bad thing. But, you know, if you want to do that, you want to do that, boy. But I don't know, it's a bit, I don't know, I don't feel like I fit in with the YouTube community. Like, I can talk to people, I don't feel like I fit in. And the thing is, I'm not trying to fit in, I'm being myself. But yeah, everybody has like that YouTube pal, that YouTube friend. I don't really have that. I lied. There's two people at the moment I can say that have really, really got me when it comes to YouTube, and I've got them when it comes to YouTube. So let me take that back. As I said, I just want you guys to engage with me more so I know what you want to see. I'm in the process of like sitting down and really think about how I want my channel to go, like the direction I want it to go in. I wish I could do like so many types of videos, but I just feel like there's things in my way that are stopping me from doing that. But I'm gonna try and just get it together for you guys, because if not, then I won't be on YouTube anymore, and yeah, that will be it. If I feel like I'm trying and I'm not really getting any response from you guys, then I might just, you know, decide not to do it anymore. As silly as that sounds, I might just stop. I'm gonna put this shade here in the center of my lids. I'm trying a different foundation. This is the MAC Pro Longwear. Wait, let me get a name. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. Whoa, what a name, in the shade NC50. I tried it on in store. I hope it matches me. If not, I'm gonna be mad. The woman actually told me to go lighter, but I was just like, lightwear. Lighter than this would have been NC45. And I have never, and I don't think I will ever, be that shade. I told her I don't mind my foundations being darker because I like to go quite light with my highlights, so in the end everything will make sense. Ooh, it definitely looks a bit more orange than my body, but it might work. Let's see. Coverage is looking popping though. Yeah, it dries down quite matte, but not matte. Like, it doesn't feel like really dry. My sponge is dirty, don't get onto me. I know what I'm doing. I probably won't break out because I don't break out that easily, but I do not recommend that anybody does this. This is disgusting.
girl them so. Put a girl them so. Yeah. Girl, you're the one for me, and I love your company. Girl, you know you're amazing, so cause I can take you to the world and back. Anything to come and make you smile, oh. So tell me how you do like that. Cause you make a man run wild, oh. Cause I give you all of me. And girl, put your trust in me. Cause I've been through the world and back. And girl, you are all I see. And I give you all of me.
These are the lashes that I'm gonna wear. They're from Primark, the Sosu lashes in Dubai. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I've got one on a little bit weird. So that's the end of this get ready with me. It's my first video of the year. It's a bit all over the place. I'm not used to like sitting on camera talking, not having interruptions. Yeah, that doesn't really exist in my world. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos where I do like chat through, then let me know. I'll try my best to get that done. And yeah, this is the look that I came up with. It's actually quite similar. I was in the same kind of colour palette as one of my other videos. But yeah, it is cute though, can't lie, it's cute. And I think I'm actually happy that I've done the white liner to break it up a little bit from the usual that people would go for. I decided to actually go with, actually yeah, let me show you guys the lip combo. So I used this lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills called Dread. And this is the colour. It's like a grey toned nude. And then I went on top of that with NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, and it's just like a really light nude lip gloss. And I used MAC Bittersweet lip liner just to define it because I felt like it looked a bit too washed out. I just pulled my hair back because I feel like with this look I need my hair off my face. I wish it was even like more like no ponytail, like slicked back, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna work with what I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below if you like the video as well. And I hope to see you in another one by God's grace. Are you guys bored of tutorials? Because I feel like I'm slightly bored. I do have some other video ideas. I just need to like sit down and actually film them. So let's hope I actually get some time to do that. But yeah, I'm talking too much, so bye guys.
And girl, put your trust in me, yeah. Cause I've been through the world and back, and girl, you are all I see.